How to set Zedge Ringtone on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can set Zedge Ringtone on Android. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to. So if you want to set Zedge Ringtone on Android, first thing is you can go ahead and download this application called Zedge into your Android device. It is a free application. You can just go ahead and download it from your available Play Store. After that, go ahead and tap on it to open it up on your screen, and once you open it up, you will be finding this dashboard on your screen. So all you need to do is go ahead and locate up the ringtone that you may wanna add onto your device and set it as a ringtone. So you can just go to the ringtone section here in the bottom, and when you hit over here, you should be finding different options given by the application. So all you need to do is go ahead and select up the ringtone that you prefer. For example, this one right here. After that, in the bottom, you should be finding a download option. You can just go ahead and tap on it and download it. Or after that, it gives you option to set it as ringtone. You can go ahead and select this first option. And when you do that, it will be set as your ringtone onto your device. For that, you need to give the devices access first. So that is how you set as ringtone on Android following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.